In this video, I will show you how to use the Creator Subscriptions feature on X. First, open the X app. Make sure to log into your account. Now, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Here, you want to look for the option of monetization. Go ahead and select that. If your account is eligible, you're going to find the option of subscription. Go ahead and select it. Now tap on the Get Started option. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. You'll be asked to review the program requirements and if necessary, complete your payout information. Next, choose your subscription price from the available pricing options. Depending on your account and region, you may also be able to customize subscriber benefits such as exclusive posts, subscriber-only replies, or other perks. Once you have finished the setup, launch your subscription program. Your followers will then be able to subscribe directly from your profile to access your exclusive content. Keep in mind that creator subscriptions are only available to eligible accounts and may not be supported in every country or region. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.